In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily install Better Discord plugins and themes in just a few minutes. If you use Discord often and want to customize it with extra features, better visuals, and a more personal look, Better Discord can be a huge upgrade. We'll start by installing Better Discord itself, then I'll show you exactly how to add plugins the easy way. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to betterdiscord.app. This is the official Better Discord website, and it's the safest place to download the installer. Once the page loads, look for the download option and grab the installer for your system. After the file finishes downloading, open it up to start the installation process. When the Better Discord installer appears, you'll be asked to choose the Discord installation location. If you already have Discord installed, the installer should usually detect it automatically. If it doesn't, just point it to the folder where Discord is installed on your computer. This step is important because Better Discord needs to be added directly into your Discord app. Once the correct location is selected, click Install and let the process finish. After installation is complete, open Discord normally. If everything worked correctly, you should now see Better Discord settings inside Discord. This is the sign that Better Discord has been successfully installed and is ready to use. From here, you can start adding plugins and themes to customize your experience. Now let's move on to plugins. To install plugins, first click the gear icon in Discord to open user settings. Then scroll until you find the Better Discord section. In that section, click Plugins. This will take you to the plugin manager where you can browse and manage all your Better Discord plugins. Next, open the plugin store. The store makes it easy to find and install plugins without doing any manual file setup. Once you're in the store, browse through the available options or search for the plugin you want. When you find the one you need, simply click the download button next to it. Better Discord will handle the installation for you automatically. After the plugin is downloaded, it should appear in your installed plugins list. In most cases, you may need to toggle it on so it becomes active. Once enabled, the plugin should start working right away inside Discord. That's what makes this method so easy. No complicated file copying, no extra steps, and no advanced setup required. If you want to install more plugins, just repeat the same process. Open the store, click Download, and then enable the plugin inside your Better Discord settings. You can add multiple plugins this way to improve Discord with new layouts, tools, and features. And that's it! You now know how to install Better Discord and add plugins the easy way. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.